my being a singer-songwriter. And when I was talking to my writers, sabi ko, you know what? This is actually a reflection of what happened to me, my personal life. Now, why am I telling you this? Is because I had, now that I've watched Paul McCartney and become courageous about his beliefs and what he went through, all the more am I more inspired to make that musical better. So, sorry, dami ko sinasabi, pero in a nutshell. Now, the most important thing that I cherish sa kakapanood nun was being with my son. My son kasi, nung nauuso na uli yung CD, sabi ko, anak, bibilang kita ng mga CD, pero ito yung mga kailangan mong pakinggan. So the first one was a Beatles CD that I gave to him because he has been listening to. So kilala niyo yung mga songs of Beatles. So for him to be there with me and teach me how to video and all of that, it was very, very precious to me. So